Hi and welcome back to another episode of Language Player's How-To series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can read the text aloud in Language Player's Reader. Let's get started. Right, to read the text, very simple. You can just press this green play button right here to read the text back to you. You can pause like this. You can go to the next line like this, or to the previous sentence like this. Previous sentence. Right? So it goes sentence by sentence. You can also adjust the speed of the reading right here. You can also seek to a line just by tapping on it. Right? So the green highlighting is indicating the current line. You can also change the voice. These voices come from either your browser or your system or your phone. Alright, so that's how you can use your browsers or devices, text-to-speech, and read a text aloud with Language Player. I'll see you in the next video.